Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XSE hybrid. Now the most notable features on this XSE is its power moonroof. You also have your power sliding rear doors along with your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna hybrid XSE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XSE is its daytime running lights. You also have, if you take a closer look just at the front grille, your parking sensors, and over on the side you have the 18-inch wheels, foldable mirrors, as well as your heated mirrors. And then if you take a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now, with that indicator, it will actually light up just letting you there is another vehicle right beside you. Now, the nice thing is that you actually have the kick assist power sliding rear doors. So if you take a look at that little icon down below there, it's actually telling you where you actually have to hit underneath. So once you kick underneath there, it'll actually open up the doors for you automatically. And then you have the second row captain seats. As you can see in the second row windows, you do have the sunshade visors. And then with the newer styling of the Sienna, you actually have this handle that extends from basically the top all the way down to the bottom to make things a little bit easier for people who have a harder time actually getting into the vehicle. And then these seats, as you can see, can also be readjusted depending on how much space you actually need. And you'll find the close button just located down below here. So all you have to do is just push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, it does come with the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself, or I should say stop itself from closing all the way. And then when you want to actually close the doors from the outside, just use the handle on the side there, pull on it, or you could use the kick assist feature and it'll close for you automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Traction control on and off, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel. And then on the inside of the driver's side door, you'll find your mirror controls, when it locks, power locks, and when it controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function as well as the Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition, lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. It does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually scroll through here, as you can see, you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also go through and take a look at your compass as well as your audio. You'll also see your lane departure alert in here as well. Trip info, energy monitor, and then taking a look inside the settings menu, you have the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. Finish with your messages menu, and you do have an exterior temperature gauge with a digital clock. Taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you have a couple of different features. So inside the menu screen, you have your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the End-to-End app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Temperature control settings located down below, along with your rear temperature controls located in the center that you can actually cycle through. Heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. You have the satellite radio on here as well. And then you have a shelf that extends basically from your driver's side all the way to your passenger side that you can place smaller items on. And then you also have the USB on here as well. It's mounted to an automatic transmission. And as you can see, you have the EV mode with the drive mode as well. And then one of the differences that you'll notice with this newer gen Sienna is that you actually have this place where you can actually place your arm for an armrest. Typically in the older generations you would have this whole spot actually empty here without this being here. Now the reason why this is actually kind of nice is that you actually have an armrest for yourself and you still have some storage space located underneath with a power outlet as well. Up top, you have the auto-dimming rearview mirror with the integrated garage door opener and digital compass, along with the open and closed for the power sliding rear doors, liftgate, moonroof, and then you have the SOS Connect located at the top. Auto-dimming rearview mirror with the integrated garage door opener controls, and taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back, you'll find your backup camera on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located in the center. Push on the button once and it'll open up for you automatically. And taking a closer look at the third row, it's a 60-40 split, so depending on what your needs are for, you can have one of them up or both of them up, just like you have it right here. So if you need additional passengers, you have that option available for you. But if you need more additional cargo space, it is available for you also. You have some additional space located on the left-hand side as well. And if you take a look on the back of the seat, the instructions are located on there as well. And one of the nice things is that you actually have a power adjustable tailgate. So if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds. It'll beep several times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to the maximum height. And as you can see, the kick assist feature also extends to the power liftgate as well. So when you're all finished up and you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags, all you have to do is just kick underneath the tailgate once and it will close for you automatically. Now you can interrupt that by just kicking underneath there once more, and this works in conjunction with your smart key system. So if you have the key fob inside the vehicle, you won't be able to actually use this feature, but if you have the key fob on you at all times, you'll be able to utilize this feature to its fullest. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.